Hey guys, so it's the July 16th and today I'm here again with my colleague Idris, who is going to make some market analysis and a few updates.
Hey everyone, good morning.
So Idris, what's
Let's
the news for today?
was the news? Couple of news actually. One was reading, yes. So Polychain has invested in Altonomy, which is pretty interesting that they got involved into OTC desks as well. Um, do you know about Altonomy, Vivi? Or should I discuss a bit?
No, sure. Can you talk in a little more detail? What is it?
So Polychain is a very big investment fund. They've been in crypto for a long time, and Altonomy is an investment desk. Basically, they are a trading platform for block trades, what we call OTC, over the counter. It's basically the trades that are happening outside of exchanges when people want to buy and sell big amounts of crypto. Instead of going to an exchange that are not liquid enough for the size they want to do, they go through this OTC desk that then will liquidate the position through the usage of bots most of the time, or matching a counterparty on the other side of each trade. Here, Altonomy is a solid OTC desk. They basically been started by Bo and Ricky from it's a spin-off from FBG. Basically, they were working for FBG, which is an investment fund, actually a competitor of Polychain in a way. And now they have launched their own OTC desk. Polychain is a customer of Altonomy, so it makes sense that they also invest in them. Yeah, so that's one news that came out. Second big news is mentioning the U.S. Secretary of Treasury as yesterday made a little speech on crypto. So it was very well followed. Basically, he was explaining that the bad usage of crypto is a national security issue, which is kind of a big deal in the US. But he was also making the point that if you want to speculate with crypto, that's fine, that's one thing, and you can continue. And if you want to use crypto for like money laundering or any bad things, this is super important to them, and that will be very well monitored. And he was also saying that currently Libra should not launch in this current state, that Facebook should discuss with the Treasury Department into being compliant. Right now, the Treasury Department is not comfortable to seeing Libra launching, but the moment that he said that if people want to speculate with crypto, and that's fine, the price of Bitcoin rallied pretty early. So basically, this is what happened yesterday. So we were here.
So
No,
so
sorry, that's the
I have a quick question for you.
Sure.
So, why do you think the US government is so after cryptos lately and especially Facebook's Libra?
Well, the main thing is that you can see it in a way that the Libra coin is going to be a competitor to the US dollar, which means that it will be detrimental to the power of the United States to have control on the world, because the US dollar is so important to the world, right? To the world economy. There's a lot of countries that are dollarizing their currencies and that are pegging themselves to the dollar. And because Facebook is so powerful, because it has more than 2 billion customers and users, if they were to use Libra as their currency, that could potentially make or weaken the power of the US dollar to all these people, and make Libra the currency of choice for daily transactions, which is a huge deal. And so that's why every country in the world is scared. France as well has shown right after the Libra announcement interest into stopping it, and a lot of countries are kind of against Libra because they understand that will be detrimental to their monetary policy and to the economy itself.
Yes, also in Brazil, there are a few regulators just going to press and saying like, no, Libra is going to be bad for the local economy and for the world economy. And so, what's your opinion on Facebook's Libra itself, like its proposal and
Oh, I think it's genius. I really like it. I think it's a company currency, and it's the first thing that we see in that really in the crypto world. Um, and um, and I think it's great for crypto. It's going to bring more attention to crypto in general, and it'd be much more useful to use a crypto on a daily basis than use fiat. It's faster, it's more efficient. Libra itself has to go through Facebook KYC system, but if you comply to all that, you will be able to use it and send money to friends and family, and yeah.
so what kind of impact do you think Libra will have on the cryptocurrency market?
I mean, it's very bullish. The fact that a company like Facebook is launching a crypto is just insanely bullish. It's a huge event, and yeah, very very positive, very very positive.
Sure. What about the today's market climate? Can you talk a little about the other coins?
Sure. So yeah, I just wanted to look at the chart here. So that was at the start of the announcement. You can see Bitcoin going down 2%. And as soon as he said that if you want to speculate with crypto, that's fine. Then the price rallied up right away to 5%. Now, if Bitcoin is still in a shaky area, but it's looking bullish. We cleared a few zones, and here we're making like a bull flag. I hope we will be able to break 11.5K. Now, if we look at other coins, we have very different stories. So this is ETH on the 1 hour chart, and yeah, it's just very bearish. It just keeps going down. I was hoping it could be able to come back and retest this level here, but right now it's just digging deep down, and yeah, you don't want to be into alts right now. That's ETH. Ripple is, let's look at Ripple on the longer term chart. Ripple is just it's just broke support as well, and really the next level is also 40% below. Let's look at the stronger altcoins, and there's only one really. That's BNB. And BNB is also at support, and it's basically bouncing on support, as we can see here. So as we discussed yesterday, we're still in a BTC dominated market, and we can also see that on the dominance, which is right there. Dominance keep going up. Actually, yeah, we're nearly reaching 70%. So yeah, right now, if you want to invest in crypto, it's safe to be in BTC until alt have proven that they can have a bit of strength. But right now, they have none. So yeah, that's what I see on the market for today.
Yeah, so talking about yesterday, did you see that the Ultras IO just sold out in like 5 seconds today?
Yeah. We were actually participating on it. As expected, there was a lot of attention to this project. It got sold out super fast. Difficult to get an allocation, but yeah. Now let's see how trading goes, and hopefully the project will do well in the coming months. We have also Acropolis launching on Huobi today. We will follow this one as well. It is in about half an hour from now.
Sure. So I guess that's all for today. Do you have any more ads to make, Idris?
No, thank you for watching. Don't forget that this is not financial advice, and see you tomorrow.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you got any questions, please don't hesitate asking us anything on the comments. So please join our Telegram group as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.